The airport opened formally, and September 28th was the grand opening, September 29th of 1929. The company was formed at Pittsburgh Aircraft Industries, and they developed the hangars. They did that because their plan was for the Pittsburgh-Butler Airport to become what is now the Pittsburgh International Airport. At that time, the soot, the smog in Pittsburgh was unacceptable, so they came up to Butler County for the cleaner air. There was also an airmail route available through this area, which was very lucrative back then for anybody in the aviation operations, much more so than the airlines. The airlines, in fact, started hauling passengers as an aside to hauling mail. And that was the birth of the whole airline industry as it was. And at that time, the airmail was actually flown by a single-engine airplane, and they would put up two poles with a line stretched across them and a mail sack on it. And the airplanes would never land. They'd have a pilot inside who would crank down a line with a hook on it, grab the mail, and keep going. And then when they started in getting airline service here, they had 4 tri-motors, and so they would, in addition to the single airplane operation, put mail on with the passengers. So that was, as I mentioned, very profitable for companies, and that is what really helped the airport grow. Well, it so happened that World War II broke out, and the Grahams, being the entrepreneurs that they were, got a contract to train pilots for the Army Air Corps, Navy, Marines, and the RCAF, and also the RAF. And it was really a high volume operation. And what they did is they would do the initial flight training for students from Slippery Rock College, Teal, Grove City, some out of Pittsburgh, and give them their initial training before they went on to the Army Air Corps or the Navy or RAF to get their training. That is really what got them off the ground, no pun intended.